नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या अगोदरच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3 याची सुरुवात केलेली आहे. तो प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3 आपण पुढे कंटिन्यू करतोय. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5, 9, 7, 5 and 24, 21, 18 are the two given APs. If nth term of both the progressions are equal, then find the value of n and the nth term. n ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे आणि tn ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. पण दोन एपी दिलेत, लक्षात घ्या. गिवन फर्स्ट एपी इज हियर 9, 7, 5 dot dot. Here a is equal to first term 9 and d is equal to 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. We know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore Tn is equal to 9 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Therefore Tn is equal to, for first AP, Tn is equal to 9 plus minus 2 into n minus 2n minus minus plus 2, and therefore Tn is equal to minus 2n plus 11. Equation number 1. Given second AP or second sequence is 24, 21, 18 dot. Here a is equal to first term, d is equal to 21 minus 24 is equal to minus 3, and now Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Tn is equal to 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to 24 minus 3n, minus 3 into n, minus minus plus 3, and therefore Tn is equal to 24 plus 3, 27 minus 3n. Equation number 2. By using given condition, आता कंडिशन तरी बघा कोणती आहे, तेच ते एक्झाम्पल पुन्हा पुन्हा आपण सॉल्व करतोय. If nth term of both the progressions Tn is equal to Tn, for first AP Tn, second AP Tn ला डिनोट केलाय, Tn is equal to Tn. Here first minus 2n plus 11 is equal to 27 minus 3n, and therefore minus 2n plus 3n is equal to 27 minus 7. Therefore n is equal to 27 minus 11, 16, and therefore n is equal to 16 first. Then find nth term. Again Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. T16 is equal to, here a is equal to 9 plus 16 minus 1 into d, d is equal to minus 2. आता हे कोणत्याही सिक्वेन्स साठी यूज केला तरी चालेल. T16 is equal to 9, 16 minus 1, 15, 15 into 2 minus 30. 10 minus 30 is equal to minus 21, and therefore final answer n is equal to 16 and 16th term is equal to minus 21. कोणतंही एक्झाम्पल असू दे, a जर फर्स्ट टर्म असेल, b जर कॉमन डिफरन्स असेल, तर Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and sum Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn is equal to n by 2 t1 plus tn. एवढ्याच फॉर्म्युलामध्ये आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल बसवायचे. जातो मी पुढच्या एक्झाम्पलकडे. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6. If the sum of the third and the eighth terms of an AP is 7 and the sum of the 7th and the 14th terms is -3. Then find the 10th term. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Then we know that A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to Tn. हा फॉर्म्युला तब्बल 4 वेळा वापरतो. For n is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, n is equal to 7, n is equal to 14. By using first condition, T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. Therefore, for n is equal to 3, A plus 3 minus 1 into D plus A plus 8 minus 1 into D is equal to 7. Therefore, A plus A, 2A. Here 2D, 7D, 9D is equal to 7. Equation number 1. Similarly, by using second condition, T7 plus T14, therefore, for n is equal to 7, A plus 7 minus 1 into D plus A plus 14 minus 1 into D is equal to -3. Therefore, A plus A, 2A. Here, 7 minus 1, 6, 13 plus 19D is equal to -3. जरा 1 कडे बघा आणि 2 कडे बघा. ए आणि डी ची व्हॅल्यू काढल्याशिवाय आपल्याला पुढे जाता येत नाही. ए आणि डी ची व्हॅल्यू काढतो, त्यासाठी तुम्हाला दोन कंडिशन्स दिली. सबट्रॅक्ट इक्वेशन हियर, सबट्रॅक्ट इक्वेशन 1 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2. इक्वेशन 2 minus equation 1. 2a plus 19d is equal to -3 minus 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. Here sign change, minus minus minus. 2 गेला 2 गेला, 19 minus 9. 10d is equal to -10 and therefore d is equal to -10 divided by 10. D is equal to -1. आता फक्त D ची व्हॅल्यू नाही, A ची व्हॅल्यू सुद्धा काढावी लागेल. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. 2a plus 9 into -1 is equal to 7 and therefore 2a is equal to 7 plus 9. 2a is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 by 2. असे सोपे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही मला सॉल्व्ह करायला लागले. A is equal to 8. पुन्हा एकदा बघतो नेमकी व्हॅल्यू कशाची काढायची. Then find the 10th term. Again by using formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is equal to 8 plus find 10th term T10. For n is equal to 10. 10 minus 1 into D minus 1 is equal to 8. Here 9 into -1 minus 9 is equal to T10 is equal to, or 10th term is equal to -1. Example number 7. In an AP the first term is -5. First term is -5 and last term is 45. If the sum of all numbers in the AP is 120, then how many terms are there? What is the common difference? N and D ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Here A is equal to T1 is equal to -5 and Tn is equal to 45. If the sum of all numbers in the AP is 120, Sn is equal to 120. आत्ताच थोड्या वेळापूर्वी झालेला फॉर्म्युला आठवतोय का बघा. Sn is equal to n by 2 T1 plus Tn. फर्स्ट टर्म आणि लास्ट टर्म जर दिले असेल तर तो फॉर्म्युला Sn चा Sn is equal to n by 2 T1 plus Tn. Therefore n by 2 T1 minus 5 plus 45 is equal to 120. And therefore n into 40 is equal to 240. 2 पलीकडे गेला मल्टिप्लाय झाला, 40 सुद्धा पलीकडे गेला डिवाइड होणार 240 divided by 40, and therefore n is equal to 4 6 are 24, n is equal to 6. Then how many terms are there? There are 6 terms. What is the common difference? आता आपल्याला d ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. We know that a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to tn. हा फॉर्म्युला tn चा. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला a ची व्हॅल्यू माहित आहे, n ची व्हॅल्यू 6. Here a is equal to -5 plus n is equal to 6. d ची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करायची आहे. tn is equal to 45. Therefore -5 plus 5d is equal to 45. 5d is equal to 45 plus 5, and therefore 5d is equal to 50. d is equal to 50 divided by 5. d is equal to 10. And आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे होते टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स 6 and common difference 10. Next example. Example number 8. The sum of the natural numbers from 1 to n is 36. Here natural numbers given EP 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot. Here a is equal to 1, d is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Given Sn is equal to 36. We know that n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to Sn. Here n by 2 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1, Sn is equal to 36. Sn चा फॉर्म्युला यूज केला, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to Sn. Therefore हा 2 पलीकडे पाठवतो, 2 here n 2 plus n minus 1 is equal to 72, and therefore n plus 1 2 minus 1 1 is equal to 70. n into n square plus n minus 72 is equal to 0. minus 72 चे फॅक्टर्स पडतात 9 minus 8, and therefore n square plus 9n minus 8 and minus 72 is equal to 0. First two n common, n plus 9 with sign minus n common, sign change होणार ब्रॅकेट मधला, n plus 9 common factor n plus 9, remaining n minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore n plus 9 is equal to 0 or n minus 8 is equal to 0. ab is equal to 0 असेल तर a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, and therefore n is equal to minus 9 or n is equal to 8. minus 9 शक्य नाही. n cannot be negative. n हा नॅचरल नंबर असणार आहे 1 2 3 4 5 6. n cannot be negative, and therefore final answer n is equal to 8. Find the value of n ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची. Example number 9. Divide 207 into 3 parts such that the numbers are in AP. 207 चे 3 parts पाडायचे, ते जे नंबर्स आहेत ते AP मध्ये आहेत. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Then 3 numbers are in AP. A minus D, A plus B या फॉर्म मध्ये आपण ते नंबर्स घेत होतो. By using first condition, a minus d plus a plus b 207. Therefore त्या 207 चे 3 पार्ट्स पाडायचे होते, म्हणजे त्यांची सम 207. d ला d निघून जाईल. 3a plus a plus a 3a is equal to 207 and therefore a is equal to 207 divided by 3, a is equal to 69. याची व्हॅल्यू तरी मिळाली. By using second condition, the product of the two smaller parts a minus d into a is equal to 4623 and therefore here a is equal to 69 minus d into 69 is equal to 4623. 69 minus d is equal to 4623 divided by 69. Here 69 minus d is equal to 67. तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेशन करू शकता. 67 LHS ला आता मायनस होईल, d पलटी गेला प्लस झाला, therefore 2 is equal to d. Therefore a is equal to 69, d is equal to 2. Divide 207 into 3 parts, म्हणजे ते 3 parts find out करायचे. Here first part a minus d, second a plus d is equal to 69 minus 2 is equal to 67, a is equal to 69 and a is equal to 69 plus 2 71. Therefore the required parts of 207 are 67, 69 and 71. मी या टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल इथे थांबवतो. पुढच्या लेक्चरला आपला पूर्ण प्रॉब्लेम सेट कंप्लीट होईल. म्हणजे हा टॉपिक त्या ठिकाणी संपतोय, लक्षात घ्या. नंतर आपण पुढच्या टॉपिककडे जाणार. त्याबद्दल तुम्ही हे सगळे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करणार आहे. क्वेश्चन आन्सरच्या टाइपमध्ये सगळे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करून टाका आणि मी ज्यावेळेला सॉल्व्ह करतोय त्याला तुम्ही सोडवलेले एक्झाम्पल बरोबर आहे तुम्ही बघू शकताय. मी या ठिकाणी थांबतो. धन्यवाद.